What is up, guys? So yesterday we finished installing the 128T in the Scirocco I. So now it's ready for some test fits. See if everything is gonna be well placed. We're gonna have a lot of fab to do in the engine bay, but we finished the fuel lines. We removed all the brake lines so we can install our hardline conversion kit. And today we are pulling out the rear beam so we can start installing the rear brake kit, as well as some new no-attain bushings for the beam. As you can see, they are pretty crusted. Actually, the main reason I removed the rear beam was for the gas tank to be replaced. Just to give you a glimpse of how the tank looks. This is the fuel cylinder unit. It is totaled. So yeah, let's go check out the tank. It smells so bad. The gas in there must have been sitting for like 8 or 9 years. And I'm also going to be restoring the straps for the gas tank because they look pretty bad, and I want this car to be as clean as it could be. It's a bit dirty. I'm just gonna clean this up real quick, and it's gonna look brand new. So yep. Tomorrow we're gonna focus on the suspension, brakes, and the conversion kit. So stay tuned and thank you for watching.